There is no doubt that the constant media and press conference barrage in relation to COVID is installing a sense of fear across Australia, and it's no wonder that the impacts of this are spilling across to workplace relations. We wanted to share a recent client example of this in the hardware industry, and to use this example to show that one of the best tools that businesses have at their disposal at this time is effective communication with their employees. As many of you know, on Friday, 20 August 2021, Bunnings have made the decision to shut down the retail arm of their business across Greater Sydney and operate click and collect only. Our client operates hardware stores that are not in an impacted LGA, and therefore were not required to follow Bunnings' example under the health order and could continue trading. They communicated their lawful decision to continue trading via a staff memo on Friday, 20 August 2021, and a staff member responsible for opening the store on the following Sunday sent a text message at 5 a.m. saying that they would not be attending work and that the store should follow Bunnings' example and operate click and collect only. Now, there are a number of operational reasons why this is not possible for our client, and it may be possible for them to pursue a performance management path to deal with the issue of the employee not attending work as rostered. However, a more empathetic path was chosen, respecting the challenges and fear that we're all subject to in relation to the COVID pandemic, and they decided to have a conversation with the employee, advise them of how they came about their decision, and to remind them that the employee's health and safety come first, and all measures are being taken, including implementing a COVID safe plan, and they were all there to help keep the workplace safe. Now, this is a strong reminder that regardless of the health orders, changing legislation, and other fast-changing rules, effective communication is so important to navigate through to the other side. So if you'd like to have a discussion regarding your communications with your employees relating to the lockdowns, or for that matter, any other HR or workplace relations challenge that your business is facing, please do not hesitate to reach out.